Welcome to Full Spectrum Frequency, where we explore the healing power of sound. In today's video, you'll learn how to use specific Hz frequencies to balance and heal your chakras. Whether you're new to chakra work or experienced, we'll provide step-by-step guidance on how to restore harmony to your energy centers through the power of sound. Chakras are the 7 main energy centers in the body, each responsible for different aspects of your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. When these chakras are out of balance, it can lead to stress, illness, or emotional blockages. By using specific frequencies aligned with each chakra, you can restore balance, heal blockages, and raise your overall energy. Let's explore the chakras in the correct order and the specific frequencies you can use to work with each one. We'll start from the root chakra and move up to the crown chakra. Root chakra 396 Hz. This frequency helps release fear and guilt, grounding your energy and giving you a sense of security. You can listen to this when you feel anxious or disconnected. Sacral chakra for 117 Hz. The vibrations assist with emotional release and helps you embrace change. It's perfect for creative expression and connecting with your emotions. Solar plexus chakra 528 Hz. Known for its transformative properties, 528 Hz is often called the miracle frequency. It helps with personal empowerment and restores inner strength and confidence. Heart chakra minus 639 Hz. This frequency strengthens relationships and emotional bonds. If you're looking to improve self-love or heal relationships, 639 Hz is ideal. Throat chakra 0.7 for 1 Hz helps with clear communication and self-expression. It can support you in speaking your truth and finding your voice. Third eye chakra minus 852 Hz. 852 Hz stimulates intuition and higher consciousness. This frequency is great for meditation and gaining clarity on life's purpose. Crown chakra minus 963 Hz, known as the frequency of oneness. 963 Hz enhances spiritual connection and universal consciousness. Use this to connect with your higher self. Now that you know the frequencies, let's talk about how to use them. Find a quiet space. Create a peaceful environment where you won't be disturbed. You can sit or lie down, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Choose the frequency. Pick the frequency that resonates with the chakra you want to work on. You can start with the root chakra and work your way up or focus on a specific chakra based on your needs. Use headphones. Listening with headphones can enhance the experience, allowing the vibrations to penetrate more deeply into your body. Focus on your breath as you listen. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths. Focus on the chakra you're working on, imagining the energy flowing and unblocking. Practice regularly for the best results. Listen to chakra frequencies daily, even if just for a few minutes. Consistency is key to maintaining balance and alignment. Chakra healing through sound is a gentle yet powerful way to restore harmony within yourself. Whether you're working on one chakra or balancing all 7, these frequencies will guide you toward inner peace, clarity, and well-being. Thank you for watching. Be sure to explore our collection of healing frequencies tailored for each chakra. Subscribe to Full Spectrum Frequency for more music that nourishes your body, mind, and spirit. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest releases, and let us know in the comments which chakra you're focusing on today.